Mineplex, and I'll put the IP in the description. Oh yeah, I was lagging on here, so I think a lot of people hack on here because they're just how does he have a sensor? What the? How people have so much good stuff? Oh, I'm in 4th place. Noob. It looks like you could take me. Noob. So much noobs these days. Noob. Noob. Okay, I was a noob, kinda right there, but still noob. How did that guy spawn there? That guy literally flew. Oh, I have. It's kind of like Hunger Games, but GG. Seriously, bro. Seriously. Seriously. No. Ooh, you now have 2,000 gems. Yeah. I'm gonna be Brawler. There's 3 ranks. Jumper, this is the normal rank. Brawler, you have to buy it with coins. And then Ultra, which you have to buy it online with real money. And I don't know, and it's Enchanter. So yeah. So much people are quitting. Why ain't I quit? So I'll put the IP in the description and the website. With Mineplex, I already recorded a lot on this, like Snake and stuff. So yeah. 39, 38, 37, 36, 35. So much people. How can you not jump on that? Select team. There's no teams. See, that's the website. Mineplex.com. Mineplex Ultra Ranks unlock every kit in every game. Actually, how I got on the server is on this other server. There's this guy that is a mod on it, on this server, which his brother owns it, so he's a mod, so he told me about it, and I went on it, but you have to be Ultra to apply for mod, but since he's the brother of the owner, he got it for free, so yeah. Oh, this map, I don't like this map, it's too big. I didn't know you took 4 damage. What? Oh, that was awesome reflex. Two OP. That's a mega kill. Oh, come on. Oh, they have a double jump, that's why. One time this guy actually hacked. He actually had fly speed hacks. Ooh, torch. I pray. Okay, whatever. What the lag? Oh, someone's tired with me. Not tired of me beating me. Not sure. Come on, who wants some of this? Who wants some of this? Oh my gosh, that scared me. Lag. This is how we do it, like men. Well, I was low on health anyway. Come on, you got a bow. Yes. Yes, first place. Okay, that's gonna be it for this episode. I'm gonna do something before I go. This is the best. Ah, I'm stacking everyone. Let me get on there. Stack me. Yes. Okay. Donut, what did you unstack me for? This is it. Peace.